A defense attorney for Jesse Vang wants key evidence thrown out. Vang is charged in the 2024 death of 3-year-old Elijah Vue. Investigators say multiple cadaver dogs indicated human remains in Vang's apartment and car. However, his attorney argues those alerts are just the dog's opinions and cannot be cross-examined in court. Vang's defense is also challenging an expert's finding that sand and gravel near Vue's remains match material found in buckets by Vang's home, saying jurors can make their own comparisons without an expert. The defense also wants a jury pulled from outside Manitowoc County and sequestered during that trial due to high publicity in the case. Prosecutors have until April 20th to respond to those demands, with a hearing set now for May.